Businesses invest only when economics make sense. So are companies actually betting on Assam? The answer is yes, but cautiously. Let's begin with more fundamental question. Why Assam? Why not Tripura, Nagaland, Mizoram, or any other northeast state? Because economically, Assam has always been the engine of northeast. Today, its gross state domestic product has crossed 8.7 lakh crore, making it the largest state economy in the region. Home to nearly 3.6 crore people, Assam is also the largest consumer market in the northeast. In fact, the state contributes around half of northeast's total economic output, which means when businesses invest in Assam, they are not investing in just one state. They are investing in the commercial gateway to that entire region. That is also why Guwahati has evolved into Northeast financial, commercial and logistic capital. So for companies, it is natural base for serving all 8 states of Northeast. But size alone does not attract investments. Industries do. Long before anyone spoke about the Act East policy, Assam has already built a strong industrial foundation. It produces more than half of India's tea, supporting one of the country's most valuable agricultural industries. Today, Assam tea is exported to over 90 countries, making it one of India's most recognized global brands. The state is also home to Asia's first successful oil well, drilled in Digboi in 1889. Even today, Assam remains one of India's key producers of onshore crude oil and natural gas. Its refineries in Digboi, Guwahati, Bongaigaon and Numaligarh supply petroleum products across eastern and northeastern India. The Numaligarh refinery, expanded to a capacity of 9 million tons per annum, has become one of the largest industrial assets in the entire northeast. Beyond the traditional strength, Assam is now expanding the food processing, ethanol, bamboo-based industries, renewable energy, logistics, and tourism. In other words, Assam isn't starting from zero. It already has industries, natural resources, established supply chain, and decades of industrial experience. That is why the government is already trying to expand one that already exists, and investors are beginning to notice this.